Hi, I am David, and look at all the snow on the ground. Let's hope we do not get anything big like 30 inches, which could cover everything. I just got a warning from my phone there is a blizzard heading our way. I gotta prepare all the essentials. I gotta get a kit, I gotta get the radio, food, bottled water, flashlight, clothing, and blankets. I gotta stay indoors and watch the news on school closings, and I gotta grab a lot of foods and drinks. I really have to watch signs for danger, and I gotta stay warm. Here is what not to do during a blizzard. Don't go outside because you will get trapped while hypothermia sets in. Hypothermia is a medical emergency that occurs when your body loses heat faster than it can produce heat, causing a low body temperature which could develop a series of diseases or type 2 diabetes. Thanks for watching. This is David, and stay safe this winter.
Pizza is honestly bad.